Kung gusto manood sa show ko na parang awan yun ha, parang may tao naman. Ito kasi, ito na inaasahan ko para magkatao. Ilan sa'yo? Senior! Alam na tayo! Maghihingi kayo ng discount? Alam mo sa ito, pag hinihingi ka ng discount, 65, I think you're not 65 years old. Ay! You look like 65 only. Oh, pero, ayan natin, sige. Ilan kayo? Tatlo. Kita mo kanyan. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ayan. Sa Kusina Pilipina. Sa Cerritos. Ayan, tatlo. Dito naman sa banda rito. Hey! Hey, sir! Do you speak English? I don't think you don't have... You are lying! You are lying. Is that your wife? Your wife maybe married you because you're rich. Come on, buy ticket. Come on. Hi bro. Hello bro. Hello. Nice to meet you bro. Hello. Yeah. Can I invite you? I would just want to see if I'm really... Come on. Yeah. Come on bro. Yeah, come on bro. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Wow. Grabe, oh. You want to speak Tagalog? You want to learn the language of the dialect of Tagalog? Sabihin mo, guwapo ako. Guwapo ako. Okay, see it? Clap your hands, ah. Ayan yan. Pero dito na. Matangkad ako. Matangkad ako. Matangkad ako. Ha? Dako ko ote. What's your name, bro? What? AZ? Ah, just like in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A to Z. Just like the multivitamins. Wow, see. I think it's okay. You want me to go with you? Anyway, here's another song. Ikaw malagyan. Yan, artist na ka. Artist na pa. Ako, alam ko si artist. Ilan po? Ilan? Lahat. Huwag naman lahat. Huwag wala nang... Yan, okay. Sige. I'd like to do another song. Yan. Baka naman... Ay, uy, kami. Yung... Yan. That's what I like to hear in that one, you know. You could speak freely, you know. So I'd like to do another song, which is a song from the Philippines. Would like to... Hindi pa na... Talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging binabalikan.